In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the WhatsApp options inside Zoho so you can move toward connecting messaging with your sales workflows. We'll keep this simple and focused, and I'll share a few tips along the way to make things smoother. First, head to Zoho CRM and sign in with an account that has the right permissions. If you manage multiple organizations or environments, make sure you're in the correct one before you proceed. Give the page a second to fully load so all menus and icons appear. This is your main workspace, and everything you need for the integration can be accessed from here. Next, open the Marketplace. In Zoho CRM, you'll typically find Marketplace from the setup area, often represented by a gear icon near the top right of the interface. Once you're in Setup, look for the section labeled Marketplace or Extensions. If you don't see it, you may not have administrator rights, so check with your CRM admin. Think of Marketplace as Zoho's App Store. It's where you discover and manage extensions that add new capabilities to your CRM, including messaging tools like WhatsApp. With Marketplace open, use the search bar and type WhatsApp. Press Enter to load the results. You'll likely see multiple options, including official integrations and third-party connectors. Take a moment to read the descriptions carefully. Look at the publisher, feature list, pricing details, and supported regions. Some WhatsApp solutions rely on specific providers or require a WhatsApp business account with approved message templates, so the description is where you'll learn about those prerequisites. Check any ratings and reviews to understand how well the extension works for teams similar to yours. If you're comparing several options, open them in new tabs so you can review them side by side. Pay attention to whether they support one-to-one messaging, automated notifications, or syncing conversations back to the record timeline in CRM. It's also helpful to note any limits, such as how many numbers you can connect, or whether multi-user access is included. If a free trial is available, that can be a safe way to validate the fit before committing. That's it for this walkthrough. You've navigated to Zoho CRM, open the Marketplace, and search for WhatsApp so you can evaluate the right integration for your team. Pause here to review the details of each listing and choose the solution that matches your business requirements. When you're ready, follow the on-screen guidance provided by the extension you select to move forward with setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.